Hi guys. So welcome to back to my YouTube channel. So welcome to my first podcast. So with the deep respected my deep sir. So sir, I would like to ask you. There are so many students wants to speak English fluently, but they can understand English, they can read English, they can write English, even they can understand English, but they are not able to speak English. So please uh, give your some tips to my audience for how to speak English fluently.
Yeah. So, thank you, sir, for inviting us. So, the first problem is the education system. As we know, our education system are designed like that. We only read and write the English.
Okay.
We can't speak English ever because of the teachers here. They doesn't teach us how to speak, how to communicate, and how to become confident. Even when we are in college, they also doesn't teach us how to communicate, how to speak. When we want to grow up in our career, then we need to English communication for getting a job, and that's create a problem. And then at that time we know the importance of English. And to how to improve our communication, the first thing we need to know the basic sentence formation, like grammars in present, past, future, what thing we use while speaking and how to use that. So we need that basic concept. After that, we need a regular practice by writing, by thinking, by listening, and by speaking. That everything you need to speak confidently. And so many activities and debate you need to attend and join for public interaction and face-to-face interaction for reviewing our fears.
Sir, second thing I would like to ask you: can anyone learn English speaking?
Yes, sir. So, if you want to learn any skill, so you have to courage
Yes.
to be consistent, discipline, and you need lots of practice for learning. So, if we're talking about the English, so you need lots of practice by speaking, thinking, and listening. So that's everything you need to learn English communication.
So depends on your practice.
Yeah, it's your all about
Practice is more important for learning English communication. Without practice, we can't speak English fluently.
Yeah.
So
For because of the our environment are like that, the not every person are here speaking English. So we need practice.
but sir, how can we practice for speaking English?
Yeah, that's a good question. In today's time, we have ChatGPT.
Yes.
So if you want to learn English, you explain your problem. Yeah, what's problem you have, the time of speaking. Then they give a format to in a structured way to learn and practice English, and that helps a lot. And I do, and today I speak English much well and confident.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for giving a suggestion to my audience. So, what do you
So,
want to say? Anything?
sir, it's my pleasure to connect with your audience, and I share my thoughts to your audience.
Thank you, sir.